Hello, Chuck Stroyer from Stroyer Brothers Autopainting here in Escondido. Today I want to talk a little bit about what they call structural repair or structural damage to your car. A lot of people will refer this to being a frame repair. Today's cars don't have frames. They have subframes, but the car basically is what they call a unibody construction. It's a bunch of sheet metal welded together that forms a safe cage around you, people inside the car. Now, these do get bent or damaged in a bad accident. And it's very important that you take it to a quality shop who can pull the car apart, put it on their frame machine or unibody machine, and measure it properly to know exactly where everything is. We have that machine here. We'll know within a millimeter where things are per the factory OEM specs. And so then if we have something that's bent, we can pull it back into factory specs, and or sometimes it's damaged enough where it has to be cut off and a new piece welded on. Same thing, we would use the same measuring equipment to make sure that when we're all done that it meets factory specs. Now that's only the beginning of the unibody frame repair. The other thing we need to do once we're done with that and the car is rebuilt is we still need to do a four-wheel alignment check, because obviously the unibody structure got disturbed and we pulled it back, so things may have moved. So we need to do a second check, four-wheel alignment, to make sure it aligns properly. If it doesn't, we know it's not the unibody because we have that back where it belongs. Now we know it's a suspension part, and by looking at the alignment specs we'll be able to determine which particular part is bent, change that, and get you back to square one, so the car will go down the road, it'll feel the same, sound the same, and drive the same. You should not have a problem if you go to a shop that's got quality equipment and does a great repair, and that's what we do at Stroyer Brothers. We're very proud of what we do here.